Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Amazfit Bip 6, featuring a bigger and clearer display, upgraded health sensors for accurate heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, and improved fitness modes. With a lightweight design, smoother performance, and long-lasting battery life, it's one of the best budget smartwatches Amazfit has released yet. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Amazfit Bip 6. A magnetic charging base, and a user manual. Technical specifications. The Amazfit Bip 6 features an aluminum alloy frame, fiber-reinforced polymer case, and liquid silicone straps with a 1.97-inch AMOLED touchscreen, 390 by 450, 302 ppi, up to 2,000 nits. Weighing 27.9 grams, it runs on an optimized Zepp OS processor with storage for watch faces and offline features. Sensors track heart rate, SpO2, sleep stress, PAI, readiness, menstrual cycles, motion, and 5 satellite GPS. Durable with 5 ATM water resistance, it has a 340 mAh battery, lasting 14 days typical, 6 days heavy use, 26 days in saver mode, and 32 hours GPS. Connectivity is Bluetooth 5.2 with a built-in mic and speaker for calls and notifications. It offers 140+ sports modes, smart apps, Zepp Flow AI assistant, and a minimalist design with 22mm straps. Fits 130 to 195mm wrists. Stay on top of your day with activity tracking, health alerts, notifications, phone control, and tools like weather, alarms, stopwatch, Pomodoro, voice memos, to-do lists, event reminders, and smart card support. Available in black, charcoal, stone, red, and blush. The Bip 6 is a full-featured smartwatch for fitness, health, and everyday life. Product features. The Amazfit Bip 6 features an aluminum alloy frame with a fiber-reinforced polymer case and liquid silicone straps for all-day comfort. It is 5 ATM water resistant, making it suitable for swimming and daily use, while the slim lightweight design ensures a comfortable fit for wrists 130 to 195mm. Stay on top of your health with BioTracker PPG sensors and advanced tracking for heart rate, SpO2, sleep, including REM and naps, stress, PAI, readiness, and menstrual cycles. The watch also supports breathing exercises and health alerts to keep you aware and safe throughout the day. Track your workouts with precision using 140+ sports modes, motion sensors, and 5 satellite GPS. Zepp OS provides smart apps, Zepp Flow AI coaching, and real-time stats for running, cycling, swimming, HIIT, yoga, and more, making every activity smarter and more efficient. Stay organized with tools like notifications, call/SMS support, phone control, alarms, world clock, stopwatch, Pomodoro timer, voice memos, to-do lists, event reminders, and smart card support. Available in black, charcoal, stone, red, and blush, the Bip 6 combines fitness, health, and everyday lifestyle features in a sleek, minimalist design. How to pair. Make sure your phone has the latest Zepp app installed, is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and has Bluetooth turned on. Turn on your Amazfit Bip 6 by holding the side button until the screen lights up. Open the Zepp app on your phone and tap Add Device, then select Watch. Bring the watch close to your phone and scan the QR code shown on the watch screen, or choose Pair manually if needed. Confirm the pairing request on both the watch and the phone. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow all necessary permissions. Keep both devices near each other while data syncs and setup completes. Once syncing finishes, tap Done on the watch, and your Bip 6 is ready to use. How to charge? Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source. Ensure the watch is properly aligned with the charger. Charging will start automatically. Leave it connected until the battery is full. Disconnect and your watch is ready to go. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn off the watch. Press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when the Amazfit logo appears. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Zepp app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Amazfit Bip 6 features a premium aluminum alloy frame with a fiber-reinforced polymer case and durable liquid silicone straps, while the Bip 5 has a plastic body with a silicone strap. The Bip 6 feels sturdier and more premium on the wrist. Display and sizes. The Bip 6 boasts a 1.97-inch AMOLED display with 390 by 450 resolution, 302 ppi, and up to 2000 nits brightness. In comparison, the Bip 5 uses a slightly smaller 1.91-inch TFT LCD with 320 by 380 resolution, 302 ppi, and up to 2000 nits brightness, making the Bip 6 brighter and sharper. Battery and endurance. The Bip 6 houses a 340 mAh battery, giving up to 14 days typical, 6 days heavy use, 26 days in battery saver mode, and 32 hours of GPS. The Bip 5 has a 300 mAh battery, with up to 10 days typical, 5 days heavy use, and 26 days in power saver mode. Pros and cons. The Amazfit Bip 6 offers a bright 1.97-inch AMOLED display, long battery life, 140+ sports modes, comprehensive health tracking, GPS, and 5 ATM water resistance, all in a lightweight, comfortable design. On the downside, it has limited third-party apps, occasional GPS or speaker issues, basic build quality, and restricted notification replies on iOS. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.